Hello everyone, welcome to our project. For a long time when we talk about animal, the word protection is commonly used, but do animals really need our so-called protection? When we talk about protection, whether human beings already put themselves in superior positions regarding to that of animal, we would like to get deeper to this topic with our students. So in our mini project, we designed a learning experience for students of 7th grade, which will last for one semester. It will combine domain areas of biology and literature. For students, we hope this project will lead them to understand animals, just like our humans, are also important members in this planet. But the underlying value is to make students understand how to put themselves in others' shoes and to demonstrate respect and empathy to different values. For teachers, to help students truly appreciate diversity is a kind of empowerment. Besides, the topic of equity between humans and animals is also exciting for adults to explore. It will let them rethink the role of human in terms of responsibility and morality. To further elaborate the project, we will divide our presentation in the following 6 parts. In order to bring the value we stated earlier to both students and the teachers, we set our generative topic as "Do animals need the protection of humans?" To answer this question, students will go through 3 themes and relevant activities. The first theme of our project is a deep research about animals. Teachers have multiple entry points to guide students into this investigation. For example, sharing your zoo visit experience. In this way, a series of inquiry questions will naturally arise. Do animals look happy in the zoo? Why should we protect animals? Can they protect themselves? What is the real meaning of protection? Under the guide of these questions, students will need to explore the living habit and the environment of various animals, as well as existing protection methods for them. With the information gathered in research, students can enter into next theme debate. In group, students will present one animal they choose to debate over. Do animals need the protection of humans? They will learn how to express their ideas persuasively and logically by answering inquiry questions like, what is debate? What is the difference between quarreling and debating? How to defend your argument? And how to listen to your opponent. The final theme is exhibition. Students will synthesize what they've learned from research and debate and work together to create a poster to exhibit in community. At this point, they may answer the generative topic question not only by written presentation, but also by collective wisdom. Our overarching goal in this project is for students to value and respect different perspectives. In order to achieve this goal, students will first learn the state of biodiversity and animal conservation today for animals' perspective. Also, we want students to improve their verbal and writing skills through debating and poster presentation, which in turn will deepen students' understanding in this topic. In terms of biology, students will learn knowledge about animal behavior, food chain, nature reserve, biodiversity, etc. By doing research. All of this knowledge will help students to understand human-animal relationship from new perspectives. As for subject of literature, students will learn to debate and write persuasive articles. Both activities require students to think our generative topic from different angles. In long term, students will develop the value of empathy and concern. Meanwhile, it will equip students with a more comprehensive analysis ability in dealing with complex questions in the future, and they will take more social responsibility to make a difference. Basically, Students will perform 3 main activities for this project, including research, debate, and poster making. At the beginning of the class, teachers will ask students to share their stories and experiences with animals, like visiting zoo, taking care of their own pets, to engage students. Then, students will be divided into several groups based on different animals they are interested in to conduct their research. They will collect information for the debate with the guiding questions such as animals' biological characteristics, living environment, food chain, etc. Secondly, each group will represent the animal they choose to pick a side over the topic, do animals need human protection? Some parents and members of animal rights organizations would be invited to the class as judges or audience. Students are supposed to know how to defend an argument and respect different point of view from the opposite side. Third, students in each group are supposed to analyze and interpret data to write a short article about how to live with animals in harmony. Students are supposed to know why some information should be written in the article while some are not, after group discussion. The articles would be put on the poster for final exhibition, which is aimed at advocating the whole community to live in harmony with animals. Based on activities in each theme, we develop detailed criteria to evaluate performance outcomes in every stage. Also, the sequence of the 3 themes in our project makes it easy to evaluate the performance outcome naturally. Only after a thorough research can students gather enough information and knowledge to conduct a successful debate, and only after a fully engagement in debate and reflection can students work on to write and edit an attractive poster. I would like to address rubrics for debate session here. We believe to conduct a successful debate, students need thorough preparation, and of course, they need to be both good debater and a good listener during the process. Here we develop an explicit rubrics for how to be a good debater. We will pick debate session as an example to demonstrate how students can collaborate before and after debate and also can reflect after the debate. Before the debate, team members shall work together to choose appropriate information as evidence, make strategy and assign tasks for each member. During the debate, team members shall play their roles and support each other to defend their view. After the debate, there's a great opportunity for them to reflection. Team members shall get together to analyze their performance and opponents' performance during the debate. Teachers can ask questions like, what do you learn from your teammate and opponent today? Is there any missing point you notice after today's debate to support students' reflection? In terms of technology, students will use internet to collect useful information during the research activity, and they will use word processor to write and edit articles. Photos of students' posters and a video of the debate would be put on the class blog for the public to comment on. That's all for our mini project. Thanks for listening and watching.